Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're delivering our most crucial update yet on Bitcoin. Every week, I share my outlook, and almost 9 times out of 10, it's literally a copy-paste of my view. Here we are again. The market has officially hit the $88,000 support level. Following my long-term analysis, this $90,000 to $88,000 zone is the biggest demand zone in the entire chart structure, aligning perfectly with a major fib retracement and key support. So the biggest question is the bear market starting, or will a new all-time high begin from this low? My analysis remains firm. The $100,000 support is currently holding, but the $90,000 correction was still in the pipeline, and now we've hit it. The market is now sitting at the historical average cost basis for most active investors. I believe this $88,000 support is the level that determines the fate of the bull trend. If this zone holds, we will see a massive reversal, setting the stage for a new bull run toward $126,000 and beyond. However, a failure to defend this zone could signal a deeper correction. Follow us to not miss any weekly Bitcoin outlook. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.